shit, Camaro behind me and a Mustang. We trying to get it, bitch. Let me stop. I almost said bitch. And I just did it. My dumb ass, bro. Let me stop, bro. They go ahead and get on the road, but I'm too happy, but I'm too excited. It ain't even Friday yet, but it feel like I think it's still the Tuesday, for real, for real. But shit, besides all that, I feel good as hell. Damn, what today? I think today Wednesday. It don't even matter. We finna push this on the freeway. Oh, gang. Damn, my shit is warmed up. No check engine light on. Don't know why I put the flame kit on. I'ma check the engine light went off. That shit don't make no sense. I don't have no cats on. Somebody explain to me what the hell is going on, cause I don't know. I'm just riding, you feel me? Come on, man. Y'all can't be stopping in the middle of the road, fam. Get your ass busted, huh? Gotta shoot a flame for the one time. I gotta shoot it, but even at the not, I got to shoot my flame. I'm not speaking English, but what the hell? Look at the Mustang, but you wanna give this me so bad. Let me start, bro. That shit kinda hard, I can't lie. Look at that, but that shit kinda hard, I can't lie. Look, shit, look at the tail lights. Is that painted? Is them painted? I would zoom in, but I can't. Oh. That I would smoke the shit out your ass. Let me stop. I know my shit pop hard as hell. Like when I hit that flame button, bro, and that shit, I'm going like 40 miles an hour. That shit sound like an explosion. If I do it, but I'm gonna have to put the camera down. I'm gonna do that shit on the freeway one time. Cause when I do it, I gotta put the camera down. I can't hold it, like, you know, hold the steering wheel and press the button at the same time. That shit too hard. SpongeBob. Hey, I can't lie, but Mr. Crab, that song shit go hard in here. Say no kizzy, no cap. No kizzy, no cap. No kizzy, no cap. We got the duct tape on this shit, don't it? We got the duct tape on this shit. Oh, let me start. Let me start. They probably watching the YouTube channel. Come on, y'all got them retarded, yo. Time to go. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Fuck no. SpongeBob. Look at your stupid ass. No, I driving that. I'm recording and driving at the same time. I'm still driving at your stupid ass. I'm tired ass, hoe. Then your dumb ass done ran the red light. Yo, nah, drive. Get your ass out. I don't got. I'm finna call the police on your ass. That nigga better let me over. You better let me over. This you charging niggas that be acting all the fuck out. He pushing that hoe, ain't it? Oh, hell nah, boy, in the utility truck, boy. He getting in that hoe. Come on, man. Let's get active, bro. Let's get active, bro. It been a little while since I got active out there. I ain't in no manual today. I'm pushing this bitch. Come on, man. This nigga got a donut on. I gotta give me some new tires, man. I got to give me some new tires ASAP. Hey, bitch, GTA roleplay, don't forget it. Don't forget it, my voice cracking harder. Damn, video like cutting out and shit, cause my phone keep connecting to Apple CarPlay. on the grill. Damn, but I got that shit stuck in my head, bro. They should never drop that one. My ass over like this, push that hoe like this, cut through like this. This is why I need me a cat, bro. I'd be up there way faster, bro. Instead of having to wait for this bitch to hit 120. Don't forget, GTA roleplay, this ain't real. I'm saying it once again. No need to take me to jail for this shit. VR edition. You wish you had this game. Come on, nigga. Sponge boy. Hey, we been on the grill. Hey, what the fuck around with you, bitch? Throwing your hands and shit. What the fuck you mad for, dumb ass dude? Get the fuck. Come on, bro. Big ass airport. I can't like. Oh shit. Push this hoe like I'm Mad Max. I still got a little bit of common sense now. Shit, gotta cut through that, gotta make that shit before they start getting over and shit. Like that. That's exactly what the fuck I mean. Sponge boy. Hey, get back on the grill. Look at that bitch. Damn, it will be a Mustang on the side of the road. I'm not making fun. Mustang's on fire. I can't lie. Bro, this wind killing me, bro. I like this road, but it ain't never no police on that hoe. Never. Let me stop before I jinx myself though, cause I'm not trying to go to jail. Who the fuck blowing that horn at me? Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is they? Shit, oh well. I don't know them niggas. I'ma keep this bitch pushing. Sponge boy. Hey, we been on the grill. I'm going around, all the way around, on game. It's always the slow lanes that keep moving. That's the stupidest. I ain't never heard no shit like that. And they go slow as hell. Come on, nigga, you can make that. He let your ass go, stupid. Come on, man. I'm trying to record a video out there. Hell nah, but I can't lie, boy. I went to the shop today. I went to the what they call this on? Whatever they do the engine work. Anyway, I went shit, but I can't talk for nothing, bro. Pause, bro. I ain't even finna edit this shit, but I'm gonna just let this shit go. Anyway, I went to the mechanic shop. They had a Scatpack out there, cammed out to the max with headers. That shit sounds so good, bro. They had a 5.7 cammed out with a tune and an intake and headers. Then what else he had? He had what was it? He had a twin turbo Hellcat. Where the fuck? Who the fuck out here twin turbo with Hellcats, bro? That's spy shit, but I can't lie. I know he pushing that bitch to the max. 1,000+ horsepower. Why the fuck you ain't turn your signal light on, dumbass? Oh, we're trying to make a video and try not to die. You ain't want to pull out in front of folks. I have to make your ass mad, nigga. Drop top, I can't lie, I like that one. That was kind of hard, bitch. That Mustang right there kind of hard, bitch. I ain't gonna lie, if I had crazy money, bro, I'd give me one. What is that, a Rouse? He big flexing on your head. He big flexing on your head. Oh God, wait though, that shit kind of hard, fam. I still ain't get no drop top though. Unless they had a hard drop top, then that's the only way, and it still look good. Them damn red tops look ugly as hell, but I can't do it. Hell nah, see man, these niggas with these damn Camrys and they hanging off bumpers and shit. Hey, recording shit. She said they go Nardo Nation. Yeah, bitch, that's me. Hey, I am not doing that out there. Okay, yeah, no, I can't do that. That's too much. I go to jail out there. Yeah, no, that should be fun or like real shit about you driving and shit, niggas blowing their horn at you and shit. Niggas recording you and shit, that shit fire, bro. That shit too fire, bro. Yeah, no, my shit still ain't high and my chicken just still not on. And my traction control all the way out. It ain't all the way out, but you know, it's in track mode, so you know, that shit basically ain't on. Oh man, come on, man. I'm trying to go. And right when I thought about cutting the shit, the damn light turned green. I keep forgetting, but not everybody in Scatpack. Not everybody trying to push it like me. This is normal traffic out here. I'm not gonna let your ass over. You gotta force your way, bitch. Get the hell out. And you got the free steering wheel. You don't deserve. I'm not gonna let you over. You got a free steering wheel. You can't even drive. You ain't even got no grip. I'm finna let my sunroof up out there. I need me some L. It's hot. I can't breathe. Damn, that boy Slam was looking at my. Hold on, time up. I gotta get these fuck reactions one day. What it's like driving a Scatpack in Birmingham. I ain't saying I got motion yet. I got a little bit of, I got a little bit of traction out here. But do I got real deal motion out here? Nah, not yet. I'm on my way though. Let's see if I can get that boy. Let's see if I can get that boy face. Hell nah, she zooming out there. She don't want me nowhere near her son. I ain't gonna lie. I probably should have rephrased that shit, cause that shit kind of sound weird. Yeah, no, my dumb ass just be talking on there. But y'all like it. Y'all watch it, so fuck it. Why not? You feel me? I'm recording every chance I get. Look at the damn police. He not stopping shit. I want to pop this flame so bad, bro. Yeah, I'm finna pop that hoe right now. Oh God, I'm finna pop that hoe. I'm finna downshift like a mug and pop that hoe. Oh yeah, I gotta pop this shit one more time, cause that shit did not pop that hard. Hold on, fam. Hold on, fam. That shit not gonna pop up here either, man. What the fuck? You can hear that shit blowing through the exhaust though. I gotta pop this shit for the one time before I get off. Gots to, bro. I don't want nobody saying no shit either. I know they see these flames coming out there. I don't want nobody saying shit to me. SpongeBob. Hey, get back on the grill. Ugh. That shit drunk your gas like hell too. I was halfway before I hopped on the freeway. Now look at this shit. I'm a quarter up. Damn, I ain't even driving nowhere for real, bro. I can't press that button every time. That's why I don't. That should be rough for me to press that hoe. I'm finna press that hoe one more time though. Try to get that shit right, bro. Alright, here you go. Yeah, but I want to downshift that hoe so bad. I gotta downshift. I'm finna downshift that hoe some more. Yeah, bro. Why when I wanted to pop, it don't want to pop? That shit so stupid, bro. I know it be police over here like hell, bro. I ain't even finna push that one no more. I'm done. I tried, bro. I tried to get out some good ass explosions out there. This shit don't want to act right. That shit work best on the freeway. Oh god. Unless I had that hoe at like 6,000 RPMs. Right now I'm only at like 45. Police right there. He want my ass so bad. He want me so bad. Too bad I'm going the other way, bitch. Ah, shit. Please don't hit no U-turn. Please don't pull it U-way on me. Cause she gonna get my ass. I'm not running out here. I'm gonna get by my grandma's house, fam. SpongeBob. Boy, what the fuck, bro? I can't get this on out my head. Shit in eco mode the whole way back. Not playing no games with them boys. Nah, fam. I'm gonna pop it one more time, bro. I gotta pop it before I leave, bro. Like I said, bro. I gotta be a man of my word, bro. I gotta pop that hoe one time, bro. Before I end this shit, I'm gonna pop this shit right up there. As soon as I pull into the little neighborhood or whatever. Y'all gotta hear. Y'all just don't understand about how loud this shit be. Y'all got, I'm finna put y'all on game. Get the flame kit now, but I'm not gonna put the link in the description because that's just too much work. I'm lazy as hell. I'm tired. I gotta work out. Hell nah, I might do it, but I don't know. I might not. But if I don't, bro, the link is shit. Just look up hot links on eBay, and there you go. Boom, bow. Get the two. If you got two exhausts, then get the what you call it? Like you got dual pipes, go ahead and get two of them. If not, you got one. Just get one. And you'll be sick. Alright, but now it's time to party, ho. I'm gonna get a little bit uphill some more. Give me some space to breathe, you feel me? SpongeBob. Hey, get back on the grill. Oh yeah, this shit been pot now. This shit been pot now. Alright. I gotta hold the phone like this. But check me out, bro. Oh, that be pop hard as fuck. Oh shit. I scared the bejeebers at that nigga right there. Okay, let me roll up the window because I don't want to talk to nobody. That shit dead. SpongeBob. Hey, get back on the grill. Check engine light still ain't on. That shit cut all the ignition cords off. Somebody check engine light still ain't on. That shit be wild. I don't get that shit at all. I think something wrong with my shit. My shit gotta be broke. SpongeBob. Hey, get back on the grill. Alright, Alright, shit, well, y'all already know what it is, but y'all know, y'all don't follow me all the way, but y'all know what spot this is. This the end of the, you know, the video. Shit, if you like, damn, bro, what the fuck, I always fuck up. Lately, I've been on that shit. I don't know, something going on. I need to go back to school. Anyway, bro, if you like the if you like the content, bro, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, comment down below. I need me some more mods to do, but y'all let me know, bro. I'm thinking about putting a stage 3 cam in this bitch and, you know, Ford's internals, you know. Trying to go crazy, you feel me? Because I want to supercharge on this. I really just want the sound, but damn, I'm thinking about all this other shit. I might just 1,000 horsepower this bitch, you feel me? Y'all let me know what I should do in the comments down below. And, shit, if you watch the video all the way through, I fuck with you heavy. On God. Let me take these pictures real quick. And there we go, bro. Shit. What I said, I already did everything. Like, shit, comment, subscribe. Anyway, bro, I fuck with y'all later. I'm out there.